Promoting Temu products on Pinterest is a great way to reach a broader audience and drive traffic to your store. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively promote Temu products on Pinterest. Create a Pinterest account. If you don't already have a Pinterest account, sign up by visiting pinterest.com. Choose a username and connect your account with your business page if applicable. Set up a business profile. Consider switching your Pinterest account to a business profile to access analytics and additional tools that can help you measure your campaign success. Choose the right pins. Browse through Temu's product catalog and select items that you want to promote. Choose visually appealing products with clear images and descriptions. Create pins. Design or select high-quality images of Temu products and create unique pins. Use tools like Canva or directly upload from Temu product pages to create visually engaging pins. Include detailed descriptions of the products, including price, features, and a call to action like shop now or learn more. Optimize boards. Create dedicated boards for different product categories such as fashion, home, electronics, or beauty. This helps organize your content and makes it easier for followers to find related products. Add Temu product links. Link each pin to the corresponding Temu product page using Temu's product URL or affiliate links, ensuring that viewers can directly purchase the promoted products. Engage with the community. Interact with your Pinterest followers by repinning their content, answering questions, and engaging with comments. This increases visibility and builds a loyal audience. Track performance. Use Pinterest analytics to monitor how your promoted Temu products are performing. Look at metrics such as engagement, clicks, and conversions to refine your future content.